Hi guys, again. We're making unicorn slime. Let's get on with the video. So you just, I know. So then we chat, and then you just make regular slime, you dye it, it's okay. We're making unicorn slime, let's go.
Look how cool this color is.
I already put my green and my other green.
I'm gonna let this one sit though, because that
She's
one's
gonna
been
let that one
played
sit.
with. I'm gonna take my red one that we did. We're gonna take our different.
And then we roll it.
She's gonna put her dark red. We roll it up, and then I'll put my pinkish.
Oh, I was gonna put it by each other, but
okay, she wants it by each other.
Yeah,
so
because
we're
it
gonna do
makes
like this,
difference.
like a rainbow.
Okay, and then Mom, you take the blue.
And do it like that, and
then
then
take the
I'll
blue.
take the blue, and
roll it
we're
like
gonna
a
start
ball,
from the
and then
bottom. She's
Start
gonna
from
put
the bottom, now
purple
we
on top.
heal.
And then we're gonna mix. We're gonna take half
yet.
of that and half of that. So what we're gonna do is half and half. So she's gonna cut that in half. So she's gonna put one up here and one up here. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll do
And
that.
then we want to stretch it out, and then we'll
do
show
it
you the
like
final
this.
results when we're done. But, oh my gosh,
It's always mama. All right.
because she gets like the slime.
It gets stuck to me.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is what it looks like.
Don't shut it off.
I know.
That's what it looks like for now.
Sorry
And then-
guys. This is what it looks
And
like.
then we're gonna poke them so you can see what they sound like.
Okay. And now we're gonna make our
Unicorn slime.
uniform slime.
So let mommy, I'm gonna teach mommy, so put it down, Mom, so you can do this one. So you want to start from here, and roll it like a taco.
Okay, so I'm gonna roll it up. Of course, that one always gotta be the one.
And then you want
Okay,
to
roll it
roll it
back.
back. And then you want to stretch it out and then show the camera.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo!
And look at that. That is the unicorn slime.
Slime. I hope you guys, wait, I'm gonna, like the final result.
It's
You know what
called
we should
pretty much
do?
unicorn slime plus, we could say, tie-dye.
Tie-dye, yeah.
And we could go like this.
Oh my gosh, guys, look. Guys, you have to look at this.
This came out
Guys,
really cool. Look.
But the purple always takes over in all the slimes that I mix. The
But
purple
what we're gonna
always
do
takes
is
over.
we could add
More! Yes!
dye.
Okay, open that big hole. Come on.
But still, it's still different colors. It looks
Yeah.
purple. It looks purple in here, but we're gonna
But
add
it's different
more like a pinkish and green.
Yeah.
So we could
So-
do it like that.
One.
And
Don't mix it yet.
Flip it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, and then.
Why are you using purple? We don't want it to be purple.
Oh shoot!
Okay. Anyway, but we'll
It's
just keep
okay.
going. And then we're gonna use
And
a
then blue.
green, but we're gonna use a little more of that stuff because we want it to turn like a.
Oh, I already used blue. Sorry, guys. And then another pink.
And
I just
like
literally
a
just did it.
reddish.
Do 2 drops of the red.
Red.
And then we're
red.
gonna do the dark blue.
Let's not do dark. All right, let's just. All right, you flip, I flip. Ready?
Okay,
1,
ready,
2,
sit,
3,
go.
And we're.
Sorry, guys. We
flipping.
like to just don't get your hair in the
All right, and we're gonna roll it.
Yeah, if rolling it is better instead of just going like.
Look,
I just
look,
cracked my
guys.
fingers.
Woo!
It's fun to play with, but I know it's not. It's not cool when you mix it, but you still have. What?
Look at it's not unicorn slime anymore. It's just really tie dye.
Yeah, it is actually. So we're gonna put more dye. Oh, sorry, we're gonna put more dye.
No purple. We're gonna stick with like the
And
lighter
no-
colors.
So Nate,
Because it's already
take out the
like a
red.
different color.
Take out the red and take
and
out
then
the.
we're gonna add
We
some
forgot
sparkles
green.
and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so she's
Yes.
gonna get the sparkles.
So
while
I
I
have,
add
like-
some of the yellowish green.
Yeah. So let's add a little bit more before I go. Wait, I'll just get the. Mom, keep adding and show them what you're adding.
All right, I'm adding the
Mom,
green.
sequence.
And yeah, and then some of